9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff. Go Falcon, go SiriusXM 11.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. We're currently throttling down in preparation for max Q, the point of maximum aerodynamic stress on the vehicle.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Prior to max Q, the aerodynamic stress on the vehicle is increasing due to the increase in velocity being greater than the decrease due to dropping atmospheric pressure.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
We should hear that call out for max Q in just about 10 seconds.
Max Q.
Stage separation confirmed. MVAC startup.
And confirmation of all three events that happened back to back there: main engine cutoff, stage separation, and second engine start 1. Coming up next will be fairing separation.
Both vehicles are on nominal trajectories.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And there we just heard confirmation of fairing separation, along with a great view of those two halves separating from the vehicle.
Stage 1 engine burn startup.
There's the call out for entry burn startup on the
Stage
Falcon
1
9.
FTS safe.
On the Falcon 9 first stage. This burn will last almost 30 seconds, slowing down the vehicle in preparation for its final burn and landing. You should see the graphics on the bottom left of the screen lighting up.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
And that concludes the booster's entry burn.
Stage 1 landing burn.
MVAC shutdown.
And there's confirmation of the shutdown of the MVAC engine and landing burn startup on Falcon 9. Again, this is the final burn that this booster will execute, leading up to landing.
Nominal orbit insertion.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Great news on all fronts. We had the confirmation of good orbit of our second stage and landing of our first stage. As a reminder, this booster flew for its 17th time today.
SXM 11 satellite deploy confirmed.
Incredible live view of SXM 11 separating from Falcon 9's second stage. And that'll bring us to the end of our live mission coverage. We'd like to thank SiriusXM for once again entrusting us with their satellite today. We'd also like to thank the FAA and the Eastern Range for their support of today's mission. Be sure to check spacex.com/launches for the most up-to-date information on upcoming launches, and follow us at SpaceX on X. See you next time.